Good day to all employers there in Hong Kong. I am Macario Orian. I am single and I'm undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Criminology. This is my first time to work there in Hong Kong, but I have experience there in Qatar for 7 years as a company driver, and here in the Philippines I am houseboy and family driver, and I've served 5 members of the people, 3 adults and 2 kids. The kids' age is 8 and 12. And then their parents is 37 and then 39. And then one elderly, that that is my main duty, to supervise the elder mother because she is a bedridden. I take him out to bathroom to take a bath, and in the midnight take her medicine, and she is bedridden. And I have also work experience in my other company here also in the Philippines as she is a Chinese national also. They're at Binondo in Manila. I am their houseboy there and then family driver also. And then if you choose me, I do my best, all my best to take care of elderly people, and as a houseboy, and if ever